Hi class, welcome to week 8. I hope you feel a lot more comfortable with the group project, the group projects that I have looked over look really professional so far. So in week 8, let me show you what we're going to be doing. So the big thing that you need to look at this week is professional skills. So the items that you are going to read about in this section, professional skills, are things that you are going to incorporate in your group this week. So this image right here gives you a summary of the 5 different management framework that you're going to be reading about. So I would strongly recommend that you write down a definition for each of these areas in your notebook. There's a great image right here that summarizes each of these ideas, okay? So then the next thing we're going to go to is our math lesson. Before you even prepare for the semester project, you need to complete the introductions to graphs because, let me show you this. The graphs, you need to learn about these graphs before you begin the semester project, okay? So please take time to read about this and watch the videos. After you learn about graphs, you are going to use those skills for the semester 8 project. So let's go there now. Okay. So here in the semester project, remember you downloaded this semester project and you have it saved hopefully in lesson 7 folder, okay? So now we want to open this up. I have my team project right here. We want to open it up. And I have everything that I filled out from week 7. Now in week 8, we're going to use this information and graph. Okay, so again, everyone should have this on their own computer. And you are going to break the tasks up between your group members and they're all going to work on this, okay? And then you're going to have one person in your team submit this assignment. Let me show you where you're going to submit it. So you see the application activity semester project. You're going to click on that. And then again, one team member in your group is going to submit it. Make sure, please, that you read the rubric. The rubric is how you're going to get graded. And you make sure that everything in your Excel file follows these items. Okay. Like in week 7, you had a discussion board. I made a discussion board for week 8. This is not required, but just a location for you and your team to communicate if you choose to use it. Please do not hesitate to ask questions or send me emails. All right, have an amazing week, and I know you're going to accomplish great things.